Can you solve all these hydrocarbons questions? What are crude oil made of? Smart thinking, hydrocarbons. Petroleum is a complex mixture of. Right choice, hydrocarbons. What is a major use of hydrocarbons? Excellent reasoning, fool. Hydrocarbons that ends in N are dash. That's it, alkene. The second name of aromatic hydrocarbons. Exact evolved. These are hydrocarbons with single bonds. Alkane. Hydrocarbons with double bonds are called. Bravin. What is another name for carbon compounds? Great job, organic compounds. Is the name of triple bonded hydrocarbons. Well reasoned, alkynes. In hydrocarbons, carbon atoms are joined by. Strong answer all. Which one is not a property of hydrocarbons? Color, great work. Which among these hydrocarbons is saturated? Well done, alkane. Compounds that contain carbon are called dash. Thoughtful answer, organic. Which among these hydrocarbons is tetrahedral? Right. What type of bonding is found in hydrocarbons? Solid response, covalent. What is the hydrocarbons that are double bond? Well expressed, alkene. Which among these hydrocarbons is triple bonded? That's accurate, alkyne. What is the main natural source of hydrocarbons? Crude oil. Which compound is made up of carbons and hydrogen? Very good, hydrocarbons. Dash are double-bonded unsaturated hydrocarbons. Perfect choice, alkenes. Which hydrocarbons is a liquid at room conditions?
Logic choice C1634.
What is the suffix for single-bonded hydrocarbons? Nicely done. What do we call the separated substances in crude oil? Nice work, fraction. Hydrocarbons with double or triple bonds are said to be. Well articulated, unsaturated. What is the general formula for saturated hydrocarbons? Keep it up, CN+2. Is the name of double bonded, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Alkenes, well done. Which of the following hydrocarbons is easy to dissolve? Good job, saturated. Hydrocarbons with only single covalent bonds are known as. You got it, alkanes. Which of these hydrocarbons would react with Brahman water? Yes, ethene is right. In hydrocarbons, carbon atoms are joined to hydrogen atoms by. Confident and correct, single bond. What name is given to the first group of cyclic hydrocarbons? Excellent work, cyclokinins. Compounds which only contain carbon and hydrogen are termed as. Precise answer, hydrocarbons. What is the ending for hydrocarbons with only CC single bonds? N is correct. What is the general formula for hydrocarbons with single bonds? Accurate answer, Sir Sin+2. Which of the following is not a classification for hydrocarbons? Clear and correct, supersaturated. Which of the following aliphatic hydrocarbons has a triple bond? Valid point, acetylene. What is the catalyst used in catalytic cracking of hydrocarbons? Commendable response, aluminium oxide. The family of hydrocarbons which contain a triple bond are called. Outstanding effort, alkynes. The branch of hydrocarbons that form multi-sided rings are called. Correct response, cycloalkanes. Hydrocarbons in crude oil can be separated by a process called dash. Well-supported fractional distillation. The main intermolecular force of attraction between hydrocarbons is dispersion forces. Well done. These are organic compounds that are composed of carbon and hydrogen. That's accurate. Hydrocarbons. Which property of hydrocarbons influences how they are used as fuels? Accurate answer. Boiling point. Which series of hydrocarbons contains a carbon-to-carbon double bond? Exactly. Hydrocarbons burning is an example of what type of chemical reaction? Smart thinking. Exothermic. Which property of hydrocarbons depends on the size of their molecules? Thoughtful answer. Boiling point. These hydrocarbons are used for welding and in manufacturing garden hoses. For alkyne, which family of hydrocarbons includes methane, ethane, propane, and butane? Solid response. Buna rubber is prepared by polymerizing which of the following hydrocarbons? Clear and correct. Buta-1,3-dene. Which of the following hydrocarbons has a double bond in its carbon skeleton? Confident and correct. C. Which type of hydrocarbons have the highest reactivity with other substances? Logical choice. During fractional distillation, hydrocarbons are separated according to their. That's it. Boiling points. In cyclic hydrocarbons, each carbon atom is surrounded by dash covalent bonds. Nice work. Compounds that contain dash and dash as the main element are called hydrocarbons. Very good. Carbon-hydrogen. Alkenes are a homologous series of hydrocarbons that contain a dash double bond. Well articulated. Carbon-carbon. Which of the following aromatic hydrocarbons used in making color designs in fabrics? Anthracene. Aliphatic hydrocarbons consist only single bonds, and so are called dash-hydrocarbons. Well-reasoned. Saturated. What process is used to separate crude oil in hydrocarbons with different chain lengths? Right choice. Fractional distillation. What is the name of the process to convert larger hydrocarbons into smaller hydrocarbons? Precise answer. Cracking. Dash-hydrocarbons that contain only single covalent bonds between carbon atoms are called. Correct response, alkanes. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Good job. Contact Narayan Changder.